Welcome to this tutorial. First, we want to create a grid. So we have 7 days in a week. So we create 7 columns here. We put them a little bit smaller. And then I'm just going to create a grid here. But before I do this, what I want to do is to actually put a dark mode. Now I'm just going to select 6, 9, put that here. Now it might sound a bit obscure, but before I put the dark mode, I want to go under more borders here, and I'm going to put white borders to this, otherwise it's all going to be a bit obscure. So now I have done that. I can go here, I can modify the format, the basic format. So the fill will be black, the font will be white. Okay, so now if I press OK here, we should only see this grid. So that's it. We are in a dark mode, more or less. So yeah, so there will be always some fine-tuning happening as we progress. So what I want to do now is I want to select the grid, and I want to insert checkboxes. There you go, checkboxes. Let me put that a bit bigger. Okay, so now we have checkboxes to work with. Now what we want to do is we want to put these checkboxes a little bit not too bright. We want to make them a little bit dark so people can guess them, can see them without really seeing them, if you see what I mean. Maybe this. Okay, I just need to make sure they are well centered. Okay, so this is our basic. This is where we'll be starting from. Now what I want to do is when we tick here, I want this to look a little bit better than this. Now I want to do some conditional formatting. So you start from the top cell here. You select the table. You do a conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula. And here you put is equal to F6. So F6 is the top right cell here. And you don't want to put any dollar value. You don't want to lock this. You want to make it free. And when you put equal true, this will mean that the checkbox has been ticked. And then you go under format and you go under font. You don't put fill, you leave the fill the way it is. You go under font, and here you select a color. You go under more color. So if you want my bright green that I have, almost yellow, you put C+F and 16. And you press OK. And you press OK. You check that this is still OK. Just going to go under format again because sometimes it's playing around. So that seems to be OK. And then it works. So next I'm just going to put some text here, just actually going to copy and paste it. So it's just white, but the B at the front I've just put, just if you want to select the B, if you want to do exactly like me, this is never really recommended. you go and take a bit of a grayish one. Now this is our starting point. We have this, we have that. Now I'm just going to put the day. So if you're in the States, I know you're going to want to start with Sunday, but I'm in between at the moment. So just Friday. I'm just going to start with this. Okay, so I'm just going to put that at the top. We said we are minimalist, so we're not going to bother with putting the date itself, just the day. And we just need to do some calculations. And the calculation I want to do is I want to count how many of those cells are true. So count if, let's just select everything here. It is equal to true. Let's see if it works. 0 true. Okay, this is correct. And here we go. So this is it. So I want to do 2 things with this. Actually, I want to do only one thing. I just want to put it the bright yellow here like this. I'm just going to put it bold. And then what I want to do is I want to right click on it and do format cells because I don't want the 0 to show. So I'm just going to do a number, and I'm just going to just put here a hash like this. And that disappears. That's it. So now I need to do the same here. So I'm just going to try to do a paste and transpose and see if that works. That should be a real mess. Actually, I'm not sure that's going to transpose this. Okay, so this is not far. So it almost worked, Ben. That's good. Now if I do this, okay, I can drag it down. 1, 1, 1. So what happens when I do this? Oh, it works. Okay, so that I didn't expect it to work that easily, but there are other ways otherwise. Okay, so what I've done here, it's just a sum of the cells that are true here, another COUNTIF. So, oh wow, I feel a bit sad now. This demo is finished already. That was very quick. So we said we will be minimalist today. So it looks like we've done it. That's just checking everything works. And that's it, a quick demo. I hope you got something out of this, and I catch you in the next demo.